With their menacing size and venomous sting, murder hornets have become the stuff of nightmares. In Japan, where these hornets are prevalent, shockingly, they are responsible for killing thousands. The mere thought of encountering such a deadly insect is enough to instill fear in anyone's heart. The potential establishment of murder hornets in the United States raises concerns about their impact on local ecosystems and agriculture. Bees play a crucial role in pollination, enabling plant reproduction and maintaining biodiversity. If these hornets were to devastate bee populations through predation or competition for resources, it would have far-reaching consequences for our environment. The Vespa mandarinia, commonly known as the murder hornet, is a formidable creature that could potentially establish itself in the United States and wreak havoc on bee populations. Native to East Asia, particularly Japan and China, these hornets are the largest species of hornets in the world. While it's essential not to panic at the sight of any hornet, it's crucial to be able to differentiate between harmless species and the potentially dangerous murder hornets. Murder hornets have distinct physical characteristics that set them apart. They have large heads, prominent eyes, and a dark-colored body with yellow-orange markings. Their most distinguishing feature is their large size, with queens reaching up to 2 inches long. It's essential to note that their size alone is not enough to identify them as murder hornets, as some native hornet species can also grow quite large. Their size alone is enough to send shivers down anyone's spine. But it's not just their size that makes murder hornets so menacing. These creatures have a potent venomous sting that can cause severe pain. In fact, their venom is so powerful that they are capable of killing honeybees by decapitating them. This behavior has earned them the notorious nickname, murder hornets. The life cycle and behaviors of murder hornets. To truly understand the threat of murder hornets. Like other hornets, murder hornets go through a complete metamorphosis, starting as eggs, then progressing to larvae, pupae, and finally, adult hornets. The life cycle of a murder hornet begins in the spring when the queen emerges from hibernation. She then searches for a suitable nesting site, typically underground or in tree cavities. Once she establishes her nest, the queen begins laying eggs, which will hatch into worker hornets. These workers are responsible for expanding the nest, caring for the young, and foraging for food. In the late summer and early fall, the colony produces reproductive offspring, including new queens and males. These reproductive hornets mate, and the new queens will eventually leave the nest to find a suitable location to hibernate during the winter months. The remaining colony members, including the males and old queen, die off as the cold weather sets in. It's still essential to take precautions to protect yourself. Stay calm and avoid making sudden movements if you spot a hornet. Sudden movements can agitate them and increase the likelihood of them stinging you. Wear protective clothing when spending time outdoors in areas where murder hornets are known to be present. Use insect repellent that is effective against hornets and other stinging insects. Avoid wearing bright colors or floral patterns, as they can attract hornets. Be cautious around nests or areas where hornets are active. If you come across a nest, leave the area immediately. By following these simple guidelines, you can significantly reduce the risk of being stung by a murder hornet and ensure your safety.